Have you had this problem before? So here's what I do. I've put my resistors by E24 series into a binder. So let's say I need a 51K resistor. Instead of rummaging through that bin and all that, I just flip to where it's close and pull it out, and there we go. We got a little baggie. Same goes for the inductors. So pretty much how this is done is you've got these little clear card sleeves, and you stuff your resistors into these little sandwich bags. They're not sandwich bags, you can't really fit much of a sandwich in here, but they're little Ziploc bags that have a kind of a white thing on one side for labeling. It's not paper, it's just like a frosted portion, and you write on there with Sharpie or whatever what the value or what's in the bag, and then you stuff it in. You stuff it into here. And organizing by E24 series means organizing it by this set of numbers. Of course, my inductors, for example, are organized by E12, so it's a slightly different set of numbers because that's where they fit into. E24 series is common for 5%. Even though these are 1% resistors, they're sort of still, most of the sets you'll get are the E24 series sets. You don't really need anything finer than that unless it's a very specific case. In that case, you buy the specific values for the specific project and keep it in the outliers bin. But when you're done with a component on the breadboard or whatever, you can stuff it back in the bag, and you can use it later rather than it getting lost and having to order new packs of resistors all the time. So it's actually a pretty decent way to organize little axial leaded components and stuff like that. You can also do this for surface mount if you mind chopping your tapes into smaller amounts and stuffing them in the bag. You will need a 4-inch binder for this. If you're doing an E24 series plus an E12 series of inductors, you will need a 4-inch binder like this. 3-inch might work because you got about an inch of space right there. You can find the links to buy the card pages and the Ziploc bags in the description.